How to use Grammarly for Google Docs, Word, and online editors. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search chromewebstore.google.com and in there add Grammarly's extension. After you've added the extension, open Word, online editor, or Google Docs. I have opened Google Docs. Then simply type in as you want and you will find Grammarly's icon at the bottom right or bottom left, green dot. Then click on the bulb-like icon, which is Rewrite with Grammarly. Then you can tell Grammarly what kind of text you want and it will give you. You can press on Insert. If you don't like it, you can retry it as well. If not, press on Insert and the text will be inserted instead of the previous text. And after you do this, you're good to go. You can repeat this process as you want. This is how to use Grammarly for Google Docs, Word, and online editors. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.